Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn about the text composable. The text composable is one of the most fundamental and commonly used component in Jetpack Compose. It's used to display text on the screen. Let's break it down in details and explore its usage with examples. The text composable is a UI component that renders a string of text on the screen. It's highly customizable, allowing you to control the text's appearance, such as font size, color, style, alignment, and more. It's part of Android x.compose.material package and follows material design guidelines. Let me deep dive into the text composable. If you hover the mouse, you will get the description about the text composable and its parameters. Also, if you click Ctrl plus left mouse, you will move into the declaration of the text composable. Here, I want from you to focus with me because Jetpack Compose composables and UI elements are similar. So if you understand in this video, you'll understand the other and the next videos. Here we have many parameters we can define for the text composable. Let me start with the text parameter. The text parameter is used to define the actual text content to be displayed. This is the only required parameter. The text can be a hard-coded string or a dynamic value from a variable or a state. For example, if we go back to the main activity, we can define a new text here inside the greeting. We can start with text, and you can notice that the text is the only required parameter. It's mandatory to define the text parameter. You can notice the error, red line. We need to define the text. So no value passed for parameter text. Specify all remaining arguments by name. You can specify all these arguments, all these parameters, but the required and mandatory one is the text parameter. Okay, this is very important. We can define the text, for example, hello again, like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, this is another text. This is how we define text in Jetpack Compose. The second thing we need to talk about is the modifier. Modifiers used to customize the layout or appearance of the text composable. Don't worry, we're going to deep dive into modifiers in the next videos, but I want from you to understand the modifiers used to customize the layout or appearance of the text composable. Common modifiers include padding, background, fill, maximum width, align. Allows you to control sizing, positioning, and other layout properties. Color sets the color of the text. If unspecified, the text color defaults to the theme's primary text color. You can use predefined colors like color.red, color.green, or define custom colors using color hex. Back to the main activity. Here I can define, let me remove this text and work on this previous text. So here we can go to the preview and we can specify the color equals to color dot, for example, red. Here we go. We have the text changed to red. The fourth parameter is the font size. Font size, can define it like this, sets the size of the text. The size is specified in scalable pixels SP, which adapt to the user's font size settings. For example, 24 SP, Alt plus Enter to import it, and you can notice that the text is changed. If unspecified, it uses the default font size from the theme. If you remove the font size, you can notice that the font size is set to the default font size from the theme. Font style. This is the fifth parameter. sets the style of the font, such as italic or normal. For example, font style dot italic. Next parameter is font weight. You can use font weight. Sets the weight thickness of the font, such as bold or light. For example, font weight dot bold. Alt plus enter to import the class font weight. And here we go. You can see that it's set to bold. You can also specify numeric weights. For example, font weight 700, like this. Okay? Don't miss to separate between parameters with comma. The next one is the font family. Font family equals to font family dot. You can choose from the font family, such as serif, sans serif, or custom fonts. Predefined options, for example, serif, monospace, sans serif, cursive, and others. The next one is the letter spacing. Here we can define also the letter spacing parameter equals to 2sp. And here we go. You can see the changes directly. Positive values increase spacing while negative values decrease it. Useful for stylistic effects or readability improvement. Text decoration, alignment, line weight, and other parameters. Can be defined the style of the text. For example, the text decoration equals to text decoration dot underline. Adds decoration like underline or strike through to the text. You can define, for example, strike through. Okay? Also, it can be combined between line through and underline by using the combine function inside the text decoration list of text decoration underline and line through. So here I created a list of text decoration, underline, and line through, and I used this list inside the combine function, and you can notice the change. Okay? Moreover, we can add the text align parameter, aligns the text with or within its container. For example, text align.center. We can use align start, center, and justify. Requires the modifier to control the width. For example, modifier.fill maximum width. Later on, when we talk about the modifiers, we're going to learn more about it. Also, you can try the other parameters like overflow, soft wrap, maximum lines, minimum lines on text layout, and style. Okay, this is for the text. In the next video, we're going to challenge you to create a new app, a new composable app, and we're going to work with custom texts using these parameters and what we've learned here. Again, guys, if this is your first time here, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and comment below. See you in the next videos.